Hey ladies and gents, welcome to a new review. This review is sponsored by 3WE Autolife all-weather floor mats, but they're not your classical rubber floor mats. They are made of TPE, it's thermoplastic elastomers, so they don't have any odors. Now, they reached to me and said, hey, do you want to do a review? I checked their product and I was like really picky because I get a lot of invites for sponsorships, which I just refuse because I'm not interested in their product generally speaking, because I do like OEM products, but in this case I've purchased myself the Tesla OEM all-weather floor mats that are made of rubber. They had a smell which goes away in 2-3 weeks, but I wasn't really satisfied. I'm going to show you why. But the 3WE Autolife reached to me and I've said yes, and by mistake they saved me for the Highland. So they saw I'm reviewing cars and they said, could you do the review for the Highland, because we have them also for the Highland and for your legacy Model 3. And I was like, okay, no worries. And they've said, okay, then we're gonna send you also another set for your car. I'm gonna show you what I dislike about the Tesla original rubber floor mats and why I like the 3WE, and then we're gonna skip to the Tesla Highland. So I'm gonna show you those in the Highland, and then when I get the ones for the legacy model, I'm gonna do a separate review for that one as well. So let's jump into the review. Here's my Model 3. This is the Legacy 2021 long range. This is what's called refresh. But let's check the original floor mats from the Tesla. Now, I never did a review of these because there's so many reviews, but generally speaking, you know, they were good. They're deep. Sorry, it's a little dirty here. They're being used, but you're gonna see when I get to the 3WE Autolife ones. They're a bit deeper, they have better texture here, they are 3D molded. These are also, but the main con for the driver floor mat here is this, the rest foot or the dead pedal, whatever you call it, it's just short, and you can see there's already dirt here. I really dislike that. Now these have these spikes, which is okay. You're gonna see the 3WE also has them, but they also have this. So you can see the spot here. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up. It just pulls the cloth here, so it kind of damages it if you put it out when you want to clean it. So not happy with that, to be honest. And then it starts gluing off on the other side. So two cons with the Tesla original, and this is the main issue. And you know, first time when I got it, I was like, I just want to get something, and I went with the OEM. It says Tesla here. You can see that. But again, I just wasn't happy with this not being covered. I didn't ever see a floor mat for the driver's side without this. And I'm gonna cut in the original carpets you get. So you can see on the original carpets, the top is covered, but in this one, the rubber mat, it's not, which is kind of weird. Now, let me show you here as well. So this is the rear. And you know, it's okay, it comes to the edge here, but then this one doesn't go all the way to the edge. On the 3WE, you're gonna see they are covering that to the full extent. And this is it. So this is only for the interior, nothing for the cargo area or the front area. One time I've had some washer fluid left over and it kind of spilled inside. I just rinsed the car, so that's why it's wet. But it spilled inside and everything, it was like up to this height, so everything was floating inside. It was really hard to clean off. So you're gonna see with the 3WE Autolife mats, you get them from the front for the interior of the car and for the cargo space, both top and bottom part. So you are fully covered. Now let's skip to the unboxing and to show it to you on the Highland. Okay, after unboxing, you can see the front and back rubber floor mats. Zooming back in. Now, there's a little note on the back of this, not to worry, it's folded in the transport, but it's gonna, come into place after a while. And you have this to tuck them in. Now, looking at the top part where you step, has a nice texture. Now, it's really interesting. There is no smell whatsoever. So this is the TPE. This is not your standard rubber, and there's really no smell. I had the original Tesla all-weather floor mats. They were smelly for at least, took them 2 weeks, maybe a month to breathe out. Now you can see the back end here have this kind of like a spikes. So these are to hold your floor mats in place. Now checking the front passenger. So this is for the left-hand drive. In my case, you can see here and the front. Now the driver's side here is quite practical because you have the whole rest pedal or the dead pedal area covered all the way to the top, unlike the Tesla one that was cut off at the top. Now the great thing is that in this package I also had the interior and the cargo space as well, so I'm gonna switch to that. Now this is for the cargo area, and I'm really pleased with this and blown away with the 3WV Autolife rubber floor mats for the rear, because it has sides covered that Tesla has. There's a little opening here for the tip for the bottom compartment, and it's easily foldable. Look at this. And this is the back end, also sticks into place, but you can use the bottom part, which you also have cover for. So quite nice if you're putting some cargo inside, or if you're putting a electric kick scooter. That's quite nice, a little protection. These two are, this is for the cargo space, but for the bottom part, the inside part behind the cover, and this one's for the front space. So you can see it's nice and deep, so if you spill something inside, it won't spill out. You can take it out and spill it out. So this is for the new Highland. So let's just straight up check them out on the front. So these are high quality material and no odor. This is TPE material. Now you can see this has the rest pedal fully covered and nice and deep. So if you spill anything, it's easy to take them out and clean them. See the slips, you push them in, so they're nicely secured. Same for the front. And to show you the back, so you can see it's all one piece, tucks in as well, and these are high quality finish. And underneath they have these, you can take it out easily here, so they have these little spikes, so it's nice and in, doesn't go back and forward, it's secured and 3D printed for the Highland. Switching to the cargo space. Now this is again 3D made, fits perfect as you can see, nice and flush, and has a little opening here for the tip. So you push this up, so you can see you can easily move this because the rubber is half. As you can see, you can put it like that. And then inside also we have a rubber floor mat, so you're secured. A lot of people spill something in here and then you can get mold, so this way you can just take it out. Like the most part, when you're putting your type 2 cable inside, sometimes it might be wet, and then if you get droplets on the carpet, it might get some mold. So this is a great way to avoid that with the 3WV all-weather floor mats. So as you can see, you can take it back easily, and you just push the little leather tab through. So you just need to go just a little bit forward, and voila, there you go. So you can see all the sides, nicely 3D molded, fits perfect. Now let's check the front. Now with the front space, You can see here, don't worry, I just washed the car, so it's a little bit wet. Also 3D printed, so you can take them out. So you can see these are perfectly made 3D, and this one perfectly fits the Highland. So you can see that 3W Auto Life. Now to wrap it up, I'm gonna put a link in the video description where you can get the 3WV Auto Life mats TPE, and it's a good deal because for the Tesla ones I paid 200 euros just for the interior set. So with the 3WV you get a full set for the entire car, even for the cargo space. So that's a good bargain. Thank you for watching this detailed review all the way to the end, and a huge thanks to 3WV Auto Life for entrusting me to do the review and reaching out to me. Hopefully we might do some content in the future as well. So thank you for watching, and if you like the product, do give this video a like so you can reach other people who are potentially looking into this, and type in your comments below if you got them and how do you like them. Thanks for watching, stay safe, bye.